Do you ever have a hard time moving forward in life because you keep bringing the old baggage with you? Well, let's talk about that. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Reverend Sharon Renae, and welcome to this week's Sunday Inspiration presented by Spiritually Centered. So today is going to be a really good day, and we are going to talk about release and letting go and moving forward. So let's start with this. You're in your car, you're packed up, you're going on a new adventure someplace you've never ever been before. And you're so excited. You're so excited about what awaits you. And as you're driving in your car on this adventure, you're thinking about all of the fun things that you're going to get to do or how your life is going to change. And you don't spend a lot of time looking in the rearview mirror of saying, oh, yes, I forgot everything that made me miserable. I forgot to bring the people that I'm mad at with me. I forgot these things. When we're in that car and we're on that journey, and so as Rick and I travel each month, the joke is me looking at him probably 20 minutes in and saying, are we there yet? Are we there yet? And that's what life is. Life is this journey that we can't wait to get to that next adventure when we're very excited about it. But life is full of these opportunities and full of these adventures. But in order to actually move forward, we have to stop looking in the rearview mirror or to stop holding the grudges. So this is that time to release, to let go so that we can move into the new year. And so what are some things that you might need to release or to let go of? And it might be your attitude, right? And what I can tell you is that I was on the phone this week having a conversation. And when I hung up, I was really ashamed of myself. I was embarrassed because I complained. And I'm like, you've got to get over this complaining. You've got to get over it. And I'm like, yes, I'm not going to do it anymore. But then I kept carrying the guilt of that complaining with me, which also needs to be released. So really take this time to think about things that you carry in your life that really don't serve you in a positive way. And I don't know what yours might be, but mine is, again, complaining, criticism, those moments I put myself in limitation or lack. These are things that they don't belong in my life. They're not fun. I don't want to do them. I want to move forward and to be in that new space. Now, how do you do it? How do you practice forgiveness? How do you get over it? How do you stop complaining? It's willpower, isn't it? It's making that choice that no, it doesn't belong there, because we know that we're magnets and we attract. So I'm so powerful at creating situations to complain about. I mean, I am a queen at that, right? And so it's like, well, if I can be a queen at complaining, what if I can be a queen of blessing? What if I can be this queen of love? What if I can have that in my life instead? And so to think about going on that new journey without the attachments of the past or the old stories, of letting those go. And I know you can go through your head, well, I can forgive, but I don't forget. Yay, you. But you know what? When you're carrying that with you because you don't want to forget it, because you don't want to go in that lesson again, you have not completely forgiven. Sorry. So it's that opportunity to really let go. But what do you want in your life moving forward? So if you could start a new year and a new you, what does that look like? And it's kind of like those times that we complain and everybody knows we've been miserable in our relationship for 30 years. But yet we stay in it because we're obligated. Are you going to want to carry that obligation of misery with you for this next year? Or do you want that to be something else? So how do you take that relationship forward in a new way? Or do you move through that relationship or past that relationship? But it's like, if we've been carrying this stuff with us for 30 years, why would we think it's just going to suddenly change if we don't change anything? It's not. It's not. And we think that one day it'll just not be there anymore. But that might be because we got so miserable with it. We got sick and died, right? And so, yes, we don't have it then. And on the other side, we're in a whole different space, right? So it's giving ourselves permission to really look and see, what have we been carrying with us and how long have we been carrying it? Is this something we've been carrying for 6 months? Is this something we've been carrying for 15 years? Is this something we've been carrying since we were 7? And is it serving us? Is it bringing us joy to tell other people about our misery? Is it bringing us joy to wake up dreading the day? Is it bringing us excitement about what we're stepping into and what we're going to unfold? What lights you up? And in order to step into being lit up and to move forward into that journey, to that next adventure, what do I need to let go of now? What do I not need to carry with me in my luggage? I don't need the baggage of grief. I don't need complaining in my baggage. I don't need unforgiveness in my baggage. I don't need keeping score in my baggage. And then it's like, am I there yet? Am I there yet? Am I getting to where I want to go and where I want to be in my life? And is the idea of what I'm wanting, does that make me happy? And what can I do to change that? And what do I need to release and let go of in order to have what it is that I'm wanting? And remember that our life journey is a destination. It's destinations along the way. So we're always going to have new things to go through, new things to grow through. But this is time to release. So if you're doing a burning bowl ceremony, if you're participating in that, then it's like, write down these things. So like on my list, complaining, I want to release. Unforgiveness, I want to release. Trying to control everybody else, I need to release, right? These are things that I am telling myself I am willing to let go of in order to be free and in order to live the life that I want. So take this time and think about what it is you want to release, that you want to let go, that is not serving you or making you happy, so that you can move forward in a life of ease and grace and know that the divine will clear the path and pave the way for your highest and your best in a way that will bring you love, joy, peace, and breathing room. So happy New Year. Move forward, release, let go. And until next time, namaste.